Machine vision or computer vision is a subset of the very large AI bubble. As the name implies, it concerns the topic of giving a machine vision of such commonly in the form of cameras. When a machine has vision, it can be used for many different objectives. This can be object detection, classification, segmentation, localization, and navigation. Historically, machine vision was a tedious process as it required manually tuning color thresholds, fixing imperfections in the image, and so on. This made camera solutions quite difficult and the possibilities were limited. With the increased computational power and larger datasets, this has changed over the course of the last decade. Now it is possible to solve very complex vision tasks with machine learning, even in an uncontrollable environment as the one I'm standing in right now. We have done it ourselves with Operate Eye, which now solves tasks that was impossible to solve before.